As you can see guys, this is the custom page we have created. This custom page has the URL Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale. In this custom page we have one paragraph, product listed for Ottoman Sale. We also have three banner images, and if you click on these three different banner images, these will redirect you to the different PDP page or category page. For example, if I click on this image, it will redirect me to a PDP page. Similarly, guys, if I click on this image, it will redirect me to a category page. Also, guys, if you carefully see this custom page, in this custom page, we have hidden the search component as well as the navigation bar component. If you see the home page, in the home page, we have the search component as well as the navigation bar component, which we have hidden in this custom page. Also, one more thing guys, if you see, this is the custom page we have created, and we have linked this custom page with the home page by creating another tab in the existing navigation bar. If I click on this custom created navigation tab, if I click on this, it is redirecting me to the custom page. Hello friends, welcome to the chapter 102 of Hybris tutorial. Guys, this is the third video on the WCMS series. We have already created two videos on WCMS. In chapter 100, we had covered the basics of the WCMS and various terminologies used in WCMS. For example, content slot for name, page template, etc. In chapter 101, guys, we created the custom component, and also we learned that how we can use that custom created component on the home page. But if you see in chapter 101, we didn't create any new page. We use the custom component on the already created out of box home page. Guys, in this session, we will be even creating this page also from the scratch, which means we will be creating a custom CMS page, right? And then we will be adding the out of box components in that custom created CMS page. And finally, guys, we will be linking this custom CMS page by clicking a extra tab over here in the home page, so that if the user clicks on that new tab, then user will be redirected to the custom page. So this is a complete video guys, in which I will tell you the end-to-end steps to create a custom CMS page and to link the newly created custom CMS page with the home page. You can use the same concept as it is if you have to create a CMS page in your project application also. So this video is going to be very informative for you. So what is business requirement? Business requirement is we need to create a new custom CMS page with the URL mapping as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale. This means when we will open that new CMS page, the URL should be ended with the Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale. And then in that new custom CMS page, we will create a paragraph with the text written as product listed for Ottoman sale. And also we will show three different images which will be redirecting the user to three different PDP page or the category page. We will also customize that newly created custom page so that we can hide the search section and navigation bar section. Also, we will link the custom created page with the home navigation bar. And guys, how we will achieve this technically? So we will create a new custom page template and a content page which use the custom created template. we will add a paragraph component to the newly created content page so that we can display the required text, and a banner component to display the required three banner images. We will use the CMS navigation node to link the newly created custom page with the home page. I hope guys till this point it is clear to you. Also guys, I have done the B2C accelerator setup. That is why I am able to open this storefront. In case you have not done the B2C accelerator setup, you can also done this setup in your local system. You can get this setup by clicking on the link which is given in the comment section of this video, and you can also download the setup and can install this setup in your system also. But since I have already done, that is why I am able to open this storefront. Also guys, I have uploaded the notes and the code files related to this topic on the Google Drive. You can also get access to these notes and the code files by clicking on the link which is given in the comment section of this video. So now as a first step, let's start creating a custom page. So as a first step, we will create a custom page. So guys, what we will do, if you see the home page, currently it is showing the custom created component also, which we created in chapter 101. I will just hide this component by going into the landing layout page 2.jsp. Right here I have done this entry, so I will just remove this entry, and as soon as I remove this entry, you can see if I refresh this custom component will be hidden. So as you can see now, the custom component is no longer over here. Right now we will create the custom page. So to create the custom page, the first requirement is we need to create a custom template. So we will be creating a custom template. So to create a custom template, we need to run an impex, and how that impex will look like. So that impex will look like this. So if you see over here, guys, I am creating a new page template with the UID value as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail page template. I am giving its name as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail page. Then guys, this is the front end template. We will discuss this in some time. Finally is the restricted page type. So here I am saying restricted page type is the content page. So what is this means? So restricted page type means that this page template can be used by the pages which are of type content page. We will discuss this in some time when I will be creating a CMS page, because at that time you will see that I will be creating a CMS page of type content page, and then I will be using the page template as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail page template with that CMS page. Okay, but basically you can just understand that this page template can be used by the page of type content page. Here I am just restricting that this page template can be used by the pages of type content page. Okay, now the finally is front end template name. So here I have given the front end template name as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail /Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail layout page. So guys, this is nothing, this is basically the JSP page in which I will be rendering the custom CMS page components. For example, you already know in that custom CMS page, I have to add one paragraph, right? And I have to add three banner images. So all those paragraph component and three banner images I have to place, right? So I will be using a custom JSP page with the name Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail Layout Page.jsp, and in that I will be placing the paragraph component as well as the banner component. And then what is the meaning of this? So this is the folder structure. Once I will be placing the JSP file, you will find that I will be placing that JSP file with the name Hybris Tube Ottoman Sail Layout Page.jsp in the folder Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale. I hope this is clear to you. So I hope guys you are clear with all the terminologies used in this Impex. I have explained you what is front end template, what is the use of front end template, similarly what is restricted page types, and what is the meaning of declaring the content page as restricted page type. So let's understand this in a more easy way. Let's try to run this Impex. So for that I will go to the HSC. As you can see, I'm going into the HSC. I'm running the HSC on port number 9022. The reason is I have done the corresponding changes in my local.property file. If you have not done any custom changes, you will be able to access the HSC on the port number 9002. So I will be going into the console and then I will be going into the Impex import, and then guys I will be running this Impex for creation of the page template with the UID as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale page template. If I show you the back office now by going into the WCMS section, right, and then going into the page template, if I show you the page template, you will find that there is no page template with the UID as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale page template. So I will try to search for this. So for that, I will just add the filter as ID, and then I will try to search for the page template with the ID as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale page template. You can see there are no results. Now guys, I will basically validate this Impex. You can see this has been validated, and then I will import this Impex. Once the import is successful guys, then we will try to search for this page template again. If I try to search for this now, you will see that we will be able to find this newly created page template. Its current catalog version is stage because we have not done the catalog sync, right? So if you open this page template, you will find that in this page template, this is a active page template, right? It doesn't have any available content slot as of now, which is the next part which we will be doing in some time. Okay, and then if you see over here, the restricted page type is content page. Here I am saying that this page template can only be used by the pages those are of type content page. Okay, so when I will be creating the CMS page, at that time you will find that I will be creating a CMS page of type content page. Okay, and where this content page definition is defined, it is defined in the CMS2 extension. Okay, so I can even show you also. So if you try to search for this in the code, I will be doing search like this. Okay, item type code is equal to content page. Over here you can see in the cms2 item.xml file we have given the definition of item type code is equal to content page, right, which basically extends the abstract page. Okay, I hope guys this is clear to you. I will go back to the back office, and there you can see this is the page template we have created. So guys, now what is the next step? So next step is guys, we will be creating a CMS page, as we had already discussed that since we have created the page template, and while creating the page template we have mentioned that this page template can be used by the pages of type content page only. If we create a page type of any other type, we will not be able to use this page template. This is why we will be creating a CMS page of type content page. So how you can create that CMS page? For that you have to run an Impex, and that Impex will look like this. If you see over here this page of UID, this page of UID Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale content page, this is of type content page. That is why with this page, with this content page, we will be able to use this template, and we have used as well. If you see, UID is Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale content page, and the master template. Master template is basically this page will inherit which template. This page will inherit the template with the UID as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale page template, and this is what we have declared over here. I hope guys this is clear to you. So till now we have created a page template, right, and we have specified the JSP location. Till now we have not created the actual JSP, which we will create in some time, but we have already now created the page template, and we have already created the CMS page. And in the CMS page I have mentioned that this CMS page will be using the master template or page template as Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale page template. Right? I hope this is clear to you. So now what is the next step? Next step is we will be creating the JSP file in which we will be mapping the paragraph component and banner component. How we will be doing, I will explain you in some time. Okay, but as a next step, we will be creating the JSP file, and we will be creating the JSP file at what location? We will be creating the JSP file at the location Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale, which means we will be creating a folder in the training storefront, then web root, web INF, and then in the CMS pages we will be creating the Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale folder name, and inside that we will be creating a JSP of this name, Hybris Tube Ottoman Sale layout page.jsp. So guys, these all are the steps to create a custom CMS page. And in this custom CMS page, as you can see, we have created one paragraph component. Also, we have created three banner components. I hope guys, all the steps are clear to you. If you can see, I have even mapped or linked this custom CMS page with the home page also. I have created this navigation node, and if user clicks on this navigation node, you can see user is getting redirected to our custom created page. So all these steps should be clear to you. So guys, this is all about creating a custom CMS page and linking the custom CMS page with the home page by creating a navigation node. I hope guys these all steps are clear to you, and whenever you have to create any CMS page, any custom CMS page, or have to link that custom CMS page with a navigation node, you always have to perform the similar steps. I hope guys this is clear to you. So we have covered all the points in this video. Guys, if you like this video, please share this channel with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.